welcome back. So I have on my cute little thrifted shirt. Oh, there's a hair. And I just paired it with my cutoffs with a little black tank, and I really love it. Today is the day I'm taking Buster to the vet just to make sure everything's a-okay. It was time for his appointment anyway, which it worked out perfectly. I got my little reminder card in the mail that it was time for his appointment, so that works out great. But I'm gonna go and just get him checked out, get his nails clipped, and just go from there. So thank y'all for praying for him. It's working. I'm telling you, he is in such a better shape than he's been. He's not wheezing as bad. He's not doing all the sneezing and all of that. So that makes this mama happy. Actually, I'm waiting on my mama. She's coming down. She texted me yesterday. She was like, "You need me to go with you to Buster's appointment?" I'm like, "That's up to you." She's like, "I'm so bored." I said, "Well, come on." She's like, "Maybe we can hit a thrift store." And I'm like, "Okay, this is me making you happy, mama." Who am I kidding, right? Anyway, let's see, what else? There was something else. Oh, I've been reading through y'all's comments about my door. I don't know if y'all can see it over there. Love it. And Liz messaged comment, and she was like, "Girl, you should have called that video adding depth and dimension." I'm like, I'm so bad with coming up with video titles and thumbnails. Ugh, that's a part of YouTube I do not enjoy because I don't have it. I just don't have it, but I do my best. That's all I can do, right? Been chatting with Deborah, the Painted South. Chatting with her this morning while I was getting ready. And just sitting in my recliner, just reflecting on how truly blessed and grateful I am, and just thanking God for you and everything. I'm just so blessed. Message my son. It's just been one of those mornings where I'm just like, the Lord is just continually showing me how blessed I am with such wonderful people, and I just love it when he does that. But I'm just gonna kind of tidy up, wait till she gets here. Buster got up this morning, and then when I went in there to get dressed, I hadn't made my bed up yet. So he got back up in the bed. So he's back in the bed asleep. So I'll let him sleep for a little bit longer, and then I'll go get him up. And I just wanted to get on here, say hello, say good morning or good evening, whatever time it is that you're watching this video. I know some of y'all watch them in the afternoons, so good afternoon. And just thank you. Thank you for being here. Thank you for spending some of your time with me. I appreciate it. I don't take it lightly. I know there are so many other things you could be doing, and you choose to spend this time with me. So thank you from the bottom of my heart. So now I'm going to sit down just a minute and go through some more comments and talk to y'all some more. And I will talk to y'all in a little bit. Y'all think he knows? Do you know where we're going today? His breathing is so much better. He's not doing that wheezing like he was doing. But we're just sitting here waiting on my mama to get here. And then I'm making hamburger casserole for dinner tonight. I cannot wait. It sounds so good. It's been so long since I had a hamburger casserole. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I have made a video about it, and I will try to remember to link it down below for y'all. But if I forget, you can go to my playlist of family favorite recipes, and it's in that playlist. And it's so simple, and it's so good, and I am so excited. Do y'all get excited about food? I do. Anyway, I've got my hamburger meat out. I'll just have to get home and peel up my potatoes. But just kind of chilling out till time to leave to go to the vet. You gonna go see Dr. Church today? You gonna be a good boy, right? You gonna be a good boy? You gonna let him check you out? You're not gonna bite him? You're not gonna snap at him or growl at him? He does not like the vet, but he loves his vet tech, and she's the one that'll be doing his nails. So he loves her, but anyway, I figured if I take him to the same vet consistently, eventually he's going to get used to him and be okay with him, but it hasn't worked so far. But I like his vet because I can talk to him, and I don't feel like, you know how sometimes when you're talking to doctors or whatever, you'll feel like insecure and just like, I don't know, self-conscious a little bit, and I don't feel that way with him. So that's a good thing. I think it's very important that we find doctors, vets, all that in our lives that we can talk comfortably with. All right, well, I'm gonna wait till she gets here and then we're gonna head out. Look who had to come with me to take the baby to the doctor.
That's right.
Hey, you're thirsty, don't you?
Yeah.
Are you so excited?
I'm very excited. Got everything ready for him. Her.
We still don't know what you're gonna name her yet?
No, I'm waiting.
Have you been thinking?
I'm waiting for her personality. So.
Lord help us if she's a little diva.
She'll be a diva.
You think so? You gonna dress her in little dresses and stuff?
I just probably will.
Oh, Buster, are you so
Buster's gonna have a
excited?
playmate.
Are you so excited?
He's gonna have to teach her all kind of things.
Well, Mama tried to act like she's coming down here to take Buster to the vet, but we know what she's really coming down here for. So we're headed to the thrift store before the appointment.
But for Buster too.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, that
We'll talk to y'all a little bit. Y'all, we just got back from the vet, and update on Buster. He basically said what we said. He's got allergies. They've been seeing a lot of it in the dogs. Just he's drinking his water. He said just all the elements and everything, but I explained that he was not as bad as he has been the last few days, but thankfully I had that video I sent to Donna where she wanted to hear his breathing. I played that for him, and then he could hear a little bit when he was listening to his chest. So he's giving me some medicine. I've got to give Buster twice a day for a few days to get rid of the inflammation and just kind of clear all that up. And then he also told me I can give him children's Benadryl and how much and all of that. So my biggest thing is, number one, I was not crazy. It was really something wrong with him. And number two, he's doing much better, and it was not anything like major life-threatening. So that's the update on Buster. So thank you to all of you who took the time out to pray for him, who's, sent him well wishes. I know to some he's just a dog, but to us he is our fur baby, and we love him, and he just completes our life, and I just could not imagine not having him. So thank you very much. So before we went to the vet, we went to the thrift store, and I picked up 3 things, 2 for myself and 1 for my daughter, and I thought I would show y'all that. First thing I grabbed was this, another Bath and Body Works candle. This one says gobble till you wobble, hello. But it's the leaves scent, and that is my all-time fall favorite candle from Bath and Body Works is leaves. I paid $1.99, and it has never been burned. And I already took the sticker off the bottom of it because I was trying to see what the scent was and didn't even realize it's right here on the front. But this is what it originally would cost, $14.50, and I paid $1.99 for it. So I was so excited about this. And then I picked up this for Donna for her laundry room door. This beautiful valance. It's got all of her colors. It's got the beautiful navies and blues and creams and grays, and it's just, I think it's going to be beautiful in there since it's a separate room and it just has the one door. So I picked this up for, and this one was $2.09, and it is Waverly. And even if she don't care for the tassel, she could still take the tassel off, and it's still a beautiful, beautiful valance. And I love paisley print. So picked that up for her. I haven't shown it to her yet, so I don't know if she's even gonna like it, but we'll see. And then we were browsing through the clothes and I found this cute top. Look how cute that is. It's gonna be so cool and cute. And I love this blue color. It is, I don't know, it's called It's IT''S. That's the brand. I don't know. I paid $3.99 for it. And I like the fact that it's like oversized. It's a 1X, which I think is gonna be fine. It's not gonna be too tight, but I did pick that up and I really love this blue. So there was absolutely nothing wrong with it at all. So yeah, that's my little thrift haul. And I was so excited to find, I think this is my favorite. I was so excited to find another Bath & Body Works candle. So I have 2 of them now that I've only paid $4 for, and y'all cannot buy one of them for $4, even on sale. So, yay. My mom picked up a couple little baby blankets, the gauzy baby blankets, because she gets her baby tomorrow. Not tomorrow. What's today? Tuesday? She'll get her baby on Thursday. So I'm so excited for her, and she's excited. So yeah. So that's all that I have for y'all right now. She did come in and eat our leftovers we had from last night from the chicken Alfredo. She ate that, and so I fed her. I took her along with me. She should be good to go. And now she's headed home, and I'm like, you better let me know you made it safe. So, all right, y'all. That is all I have for right now. I don't have anything else going on today. Now I'm just gonna kind of like decompress from taking Buster to the vet. It is such a deal when I take him to the vet because he hates it. He gets stressed out, and then like, I'm worried about how he's gonna be. But anyway, he did get his nails clipped while we were there, so that's good. And he checked out fine, and he's still down 3 ounces. He's still like down. He hasn't gained the weight back, so yay. I don't know how, but we'll take it. So yeah, that's gonna do it for right now. If anything else exciting happens, I will pull out the camera, but I don't really have anything else right now. So I'll talk to you in just a little bit. Well, you know, just the usual, sitting out here waiting on James. Gonna let Buster wait on his daddy to get out here. But I wanted to tell y'all, I had planned on going to Granny's Thursday to see her and hopefully film the dumpling video. So I called her a few minutes ago just to kind of check on her and see, you know, if she was up to all that, and she is not. She's like, oh, Donna, I just haven't been feeling so good. I just don't know that I'm up to all that. So I told her, don't distress it. Don't worry about it. That was totally fine. We will do it another day. I know, y'all. I'm so bummed because I really wanted to go up there to see her, but I really wanted some of them dumplings too. But she's not up to it. She's been sick, and we have to bear in mind she's in 95. So that's not going to be happening this week. I do apologize. I feel like I've let y'all down, but at the same time, I know y'all understand. And she's just not up for it. So that's not happening. So now I'm like, okay, what do I do now? So I don't know. I guess we'll end up just going to Delana's and having a pool day. I mean, I know, right? There are worse tragedies. But I am sorry because I don't like telling y'all stuff like that and then I'm not able to follow through. But, you know, it is all dependent on her and how she's feeling. So that is what's up with that. It is another warm day out here. I'm glistening. And I give Buster his medication, and he's really just been, I don't know if it's like he's coming down from all the anxiety from going to the vet, or if it's a combination of that and the medicine, but he has just been like a little zombie. So I don't know. But I've got my casserole in the oven. It's looking so good. I cannot wait to just tear into that. I'm so hungry. So I'm going to be like ripping into that real soon. Drove my car, you know, around today, and so far so good. I just say thank you, Lord, because that is my miracle. Y'all know I was like praying for a miracle, and he has come through again. Oh, he is just so good. And once I get my tires, it's going to be like a brand new car all over again. So thank you, Lord, for that blessing. I do not take it lightly. And thank y'all for praying with me about it. Y'all, there is power in prayer. Power in prayer. I firm believe it. So just from talking to some of y'all in the comments, it's a tough season for some of y'all. And I just want you to know that my heart goes out to you, because been there, done that. We'll be there again one day. I mean, you know, it's just the way it is. But just know that you're not alone. You're not alone. God's got you here for a reason, and I promise you, when you come through it, and you will, some days you have to walk by faith and not by sight. You're gonna kind of, you might not understand all of it, but you'll be able to understand some of it, and you will get through this. And some days are better than other days. Some days are easier than other days, and yeah. I just enjoy the good days, because I know that they're not all going to be good days. You know what I mean? So just know that I'm praying for y'all, thinking about y'all, and I can really, really empathize, because I've been there. It's tough. All right, let me go find Buster. I don't know where he's got off to. Let me go find him, and I will check back in with y'all in just a little bit.